fantastic. Congratulations. And again, it's my privilege and honor to introduce our salutatorian, Ilona Politician. Where are you, Ilona?
That's why we called you today. You knew you had a call. I got that.
Let's give her now another round of applause. I just want to thank you all again. And now you understand why I love my job, being in this outstanding. Now you understand truly why I am such a fortunate person to be a leader of such a great school, and why I love the job because of your children. And so I want to thank you again. I wish you many more really occasions when you will celebrate only wonderful occasions, and we hope to see you soon. So have a good evening, and I'm going to turn the mic to Mr. D.
Before we go, a wise man once said that if you love what you do, you never work a day in your life. And I love what I do. Anyway, congratulations to all the